If Facebook is showing a query error, don't worry. This is usually a simple issue you can fix in a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to get Facebook working again, starting with the easiest fix first. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and social media fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, just press F5 or use the refresh button in your browser. A lot of the time, a Facebook query error happens because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a quick refresh is enough to reload the connection and clear the temporary glitch. If refreshing does not fix it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then other websites are loading normally. If your connection is weak or unstable, Facebook may struggle to send or receive data correctly, which can trigger that query error message. Try switching networks, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or restarting your router if needed. If the error is still there, clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files to help websites load faster, but those files can become outdated or corrupted. When that happens, Facebook may load old data and run into errors. To clear the cache, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and remove cached images and files. After that, close the browser completely. Reopen it, and try Facebook again. You can also try logging out of Facebook and signing back in, or opening Facebook in a different browser to see if the problem is specific to one app or browser. Sometimes the issue is only related to stored session data, and a fresh login fixes everything. If you're on a phone, you can also force close the app, reopen it, and make sure the Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that resolve these kinds of errors. So to quickly recap, refresh the page with F5, check your internet connection, and clear your browser cache. Those 3 steps solve most Facebook query errors fast. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.